Ayan, good morning guys! Today I just wanna show you my magic mag. This is my favorite mag of all the times at palagi ko tong iniingatan. You will see the magic. Ayan, lalagyan ko siya ng hot water. Actually, bigay to sa akin ng friend ko na taga UAE Embassy dito sa Warsaw. And it was very beautiful. Ayan. You can see the Burj Al Arab. It's beautiful. Wow. See guys, UAE Embassy Warsaw. UAE Embassy Warsaw, yes. Very nice. Yan, pag nilalagyan ko siya ng mainit na tubig, it appears like that. Very beautiful. At itong Burj Al Arab. Ang ganda niya. O, diba? Ang sarap magkape pag ganito. Ayan. Thank you for watching.